My name is Jeremy Clark. I'm the president of Excel Association Management. We service homeowners associations and condominiums in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We are focused on customer service. We partner with CIT because they are able to provide a high level of accuracy, quick response. CIT has become one of our biggest technology partners. For sure, they're our biggest data partner. And they're a customer service partner. And having a partnership there versus just a vendor relationship has been a real key for us. We're able to focus on our customer base. If there's an issue, we know we can pick up the phone, we can get somebody on the phone who is knowledgeable about the industry, probably knowledgeable about that sort of a problem, and can quickly deliver answers. When we presented to CIT that there was a need within the industry for a vendor invoice processing system, the bank listened. The bank went out and found vendors to come in and build a system that filled the need within not only our industry, but for us as a company. That solution has improved efficiency, security, and processing for us internally, and therefore for our clients. Those are real solutions that affect us as a company and our operations, but improve the service that we provide to our clients. That system has allowed us to reduce and reorganize our staff time, and we're able to deliver payments to vendors of our clients in a much faster and secure manner. CIT has come in and built solutions that are needed within the industry and put their capital up to build solutions that make our industry and our company perform better.